Hey there, holiday artist, here you have another installment from Holiday Display Dish.
Basic timers are just that. They haven't changed in 65 years, but depending on what you want, they may fit the bill. They come with a normal plug including a grounding prong that fits normal outlets. There are two separate plug sockets that are not, I repeat, not controlled separately, but are there for convenience. On top is the 24-hour clock with a switch that can be put to fully on or stay on the timer. The 24-hour clock is split into 15-minute increments each with a notch that you can push down to have the power on for the 15-minute, or leave up for it to be off. In the middle is a narrowed to highlight what time it is now so that you can ensure the time is programmed properly. Once you are sure it is programmed properly, you can just plug it in and the power will start the timer running. It is important to remember that if a fuse blows or the power goes out, the timer will stop and you'll have to reset the time. Close the cover to protect it from the elements. Plug it in and on most basic timers, you will hear the timer start running and it sounds like an old egg timer. Once the timer hits the preset time, electricity will flick on and power whatever you are plugged into it. Simple as that. I'll accelerate the timer about to show it shutting off. I'll do some additional videos on second generation timers that are activated by the sun as well as remotes, and then I will also do a video on smart timers.
We'll see you next time. Holiday Artist.